Okay, this is just a small Walmart haul. I got some shredded lettuce and some Fiesta blend cheese for some tacos I'm going to make. I'm going to try this Game Fuel Mountain Dew energy drink. And I only drink these. And here's the Coke Cherry Zero Energy. I only drink those when I'm feeling really sluggish. I don't drink them often. Here lately, I have been drinking them because with the holidays, it's hard for me to... Anyway, I've been trying to keep up. Aluminum foil. I like to keep that in stock. And the great value one is, it's fine. I needed some AAA batteries for something that I'm doing. And I need batteries for. Anyway, the Omeprazole for my acid reflux. The Excedrin. This is the Walmart brand of the Excedrin migraine. It's cheaper, so I'll get that. I got some Suavitel. I usually use this fabric softener, but they were out of it the last time I had to buy it. But the Downy I bought is good. I like the smell of it. But I like this too, and it's cheaper. It's like I think $1 cheaper, but hey. Okay, Mountain Dew, 2 liter. And they only have, the Canada Dry only has this cranberry ginger ale at the holidays, and I like it. So when they have it, I get it. And then my green tea, my Arizona green tea. So I think that is it. Show you all a little bit of what my Christmas decorations in the kitchen look like. Okay, now my niece, I love the Grinch. He just tickles me. I love the Grinch. And my niece makes these tumblers. And she sent this to me and told me to open it. It's an early Christmas gift. Now, it's stainless steel inside. Stainless steel straw. And it comes with a cleaning brush to clean the straw. You know, see, it says Merry Grinchmas. I have a shirt that says Merry Grinchmas on it with the Grinch, too. I absolutely love it. Now, she makes and sells these, so if anybody wants any, let me know. And I'll ask her how they get one. I think she has a Etsy shop. I'll have to check. But isn't that the cutest? She makes all kinds of these tumblers. What are they, epoxy or something like that? She loves making them. Alright, so that was just a small Walmart haul. All right, have a good day.